My name is Clive Dossetor, and I have an amateur's interest in the Battle of Waterloo and have had that same interest for many years. And having seen all the various depictions of the Battle of Waterloo, both in London and Paris, and having come here to some degree by accident, my wife, in setting an agenda for our trip through Ireland, saw this on a website somewhere and organised for me to come and see it. And I'm very pleasantly surprised, having seen all these other depictions of the Battle of Waterloo. This is by far the most accurate. Seems to be set at about 3 p.m. on the 18th of June 1815, and seems to best represent, as I understand it, the formations and the various activities of the battlefield at that time. And quite frankly, the victor has written most of the histories of the Battle of Waterloo, but the French have also got their own view of the Battle of Waterloo, and so you're always going to have a dispute as to exactly how it was, but in terms of the general agreed positions, this would seem to be by far the most accurate. And of course, you've got the soldiers themselves and the cannons and the 3, 12 and pounders and what have you, and the cavalry, all extremely well depicted in this scenario. And I can only recommend anybody who's got an interest in this particular battle, and I certainly have, because Napoleon was going to have an even bigger influence on everybody's lives if he'd won at this particular battle. And what a set of circumstances that could have gone either way. If he'd been feeling better, if he hadn't had tummy problems on the day, if Marshal Ney had done a better job in the battle prior to the actual battle on the 5th, when General Ney took on the Prussians on the 15th of June, if he'd continued on and destroyed that army, then they wouldn't have come in at the end. All that is represented in this diorama in a particularly accurate fashion. And so I can say again, anybody who's got an interest as I have in this, I recommend you to come and have a look. Thank you very much.